Hey, so hi. I haven't made a video in so long, and I say that in the beginning of every video because I'm shy and I don't know how to talk to a camera, so every time I try to make a video it just like really doesn't work. But hey, so today I did my makeup for the first time in forever, like full glam, or this is my version of full glam, so I feel really pretty. I haven't straightened my hair in like a week or like a week and a half, so I'm really proud of myself for that. I'm just giving you guys an update on everything. So yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys today. I was gonna film a makeup tutorial, but I didn't feel like doing my makeup super different, but I've already done like this look like 3 times on my channel, so I was like, I just can't do that again. But my room is super clean, or at least like for me right now, and a few people have asked for a room tour. Even though my room is super small, I still live with my family, if some of you didn't know that. I still live with my family, so I mean I just have a room. It's not like an apartment tour or anything, it's literally just my tiny ass room. But I think it's super cute. I've worked on my room my entire life. I've lived here my entire life, duh. But I think it's super cute, and I kind of want to show it off because it's like my favorite thing about me. It's not even like, it's not anything special at all, but I'm just really proud of it. A lot of stuff I have in my room is from like consignment shops, because me and my grandma used to go to them when I was little. Some of the stuff is from like Goodwill. A lot of stuff is from like World Market or Urban Outfitters, like apparel, not apparel, what's it called? Decor. Apparel, decor, same thing. But yeah, okay, I'm just gonna stop talking and show you guys my room because it's really cute. So here's my entrance way to my room, aka my door. So that's me. Hey, my skirt and shirt are from Forever 21, if anyone's wondering. And that's where I do my makeup. That's my makeup bag. It's so cute. My mom's friend, I think, got it from Egypt. This is just like a toy. I don't know why that's there. But yeah, there's like 2 of them. One of them's smaller. I don't know. I love these designs. Anyways, so yeah, I keep a lot of my perfume there. I need to get rid of a lot of it because it's not cruelty free, and it's really just not my thing anymore. But they were all like really expensive, kind of, so I don't know what to do. Anyways, this is the way I'm like crouching right now. Oof. This is where I do my makeup. I sit on my yoga mat and just do my makeup, you know? So there's my mirror. It turns on like a light or whatever, like a light. But yeah, so I tried to make this as cute as possible. Still kind of dirty because my makeup is all in there. It's not organized super well, but it'll do. Right here is a garment rack I got from Target about 2 weeks ago. I love it so much. I just keep a lot of my clothes that I like to wear a lot, or my favorite clothes that make me happy. I keep there just to look at. It makes me happy because I'm a freak, and just looking at clothes makes me happy. Up there is a puzzle actually that my grandma got me, and she framed it, so yeah, super cute. There's just a whole bunch of cute knick-knacky type things up on that shelf. So yeah, here are my shoes. I know I have way too many. I've just been the same shoe size since I was like super little. I've always been like either a 6, 6.5, or 7. It just depends. And so I've just kept all my shoes throughout the year. The plural. And I don't want to get rid of them. I mean, I don't know. I only wear like 3 pairs, but whatever. There's my planners. I have like 2 agendas and a notebook. I just like to write. It's what I do whenever I'm really bored and I have nothing to do. There's my speaker that I listen to music on. There's my lava lamp that's all messed up. I don't know what I think I kept it on for too long because I mean that doesn't look right. So yeah, I'm letting it chill for a while and see if it'll go back to normal. I don't know what I did to it, but yeah, that's just a bunch of technology stuff. My fan and stuff's back there. There's my nightstand. I just keep that's my essential oil diffuser I got from Scentsy. A lot of you guys wanted to know my favorite oils, so this is the one that I use whenever I want my room to just smell good. Please focus. This is the one I use whenever I just want a pleasant, like, nice smell in my room. smells super nice, but if I want something to actually calm me and like make my anxiety go away and just help me sleep and everything, it also like helps, it makes my stomach not hurt whenever it's hurting, so that's good. Please focus. Yeah, calm. But yeah, Scentsy oils are my favorite. Oh god, I have just normal tea tree. I use that sometimes whenever my skin's really bad because I feel like having it in the air helps. I don't know if that's true, but whatever. And then what's this? Oh, lavender. I don't use that one a lot, but if I want something different, I will. And I keep all my other oils down there, but I don't really use them that much. So, and this is my bed, my pride and joy. It's the coziest thing ever, because it's so slept in and like used. Like, I love my bed. It's so tiny too, but I mean, I'm the only one sleeping in it, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, and then there's my window. I love my windows. Those are probably my favorite part of my room. I just love my windows. They're so big and open. I wish I had a better view other than my ugly ass backyard, but it's whatever. Actually, I recently got that. I don't know what you would call that, like hangy thing, just like cute decoration thing. I got it from Target super recently. They had that one, a flower one, and another one that I think had stars on it. I like the star one because I love stars, but I don't know, that one was super cute and like boho looking to me, so I put it up there and I think it looks super cute. Also, like all the decorations on my wall over there, well, that's just a Chanel poster I got when I was like 10. I don't really care about Chanel, but the poster is cute, so. And then, yeah, both of those are from my grandma. I just thought they were really cute, and I don't know, I like them. I love the simplicity and the creepiness of that one. I just like creepy things, which sounds so stupid, but I just like things that are creepy but also cute, and making creepy things not as creepy. I don't know, I like that. Here's a bag I got from World Market, just like, you know, astrology things. But yeah, super cute. I keep all my panties and bathing suits and stuff in there. Fun fact, my mom's ex-boyfriend made this, so thank you. I don't know his name. I keep, again, just a whole bunch of random stuff up here. A poodle bobblehead, that was my mom's. A few things my friend actually made. I'll show her. My friend made that little figurine bitch right there. So I have a TV. I haven't turned it on in forever. I don't really watch TV or Netflix or anything. I'm more of just like a YouTube girl, or Instagram or Pinterest. Yeah, I used to play Xbox, but I didn't have room for the Xbox in my room anymore because of that gorgeous shoe rack type thing. Shoe shelf, I don't know. But yeah, so I got rid of my Xbox and I wasn't even playing it anymore really, so I didn't really care that much. But yeah, I got that from Target as well, the same day as the shoe, or no, what the heck? I got that the same day as I got the garment rack, and I don't know, I really like it. Again, they were both really cheap and have been really handy with, I don't know, putting my clothes and shoes out of the way. Kate Moss, she's so hot. Marilyn Monroe, I about said Marilyn Manson. Marilyn Monroe, also hot, obviously. I keep my stuff for working out under here, just like ankle weights and 5-pound weights. And then under there is like one of those things that you wrap around your waist and it makes you sweat more, so you're losing more weight. I don't know how that science works. It was only like $12 and I was like, okay, but I've only used it like once, so I don't really know if it works. Those are just some clothes I need to put up, or I'm pretty sure I was going to give some of these to my friend, but yeah, sorry if I'm moving way too much. I don't really know what I'm doing. This is where I keep all my jewelry. It's a hot mess, but I also kind of like the way it looks. Here's some money that I found this morning in a purse, and I was like, oh my god, $6. My fake nose rings, or there's only one in there now, but because I'm a fake bitch. Oh, there's one of them. Okay. But yeah, so this is just a whole bunch of my jewelry. Nothing really that special, but yeah. All my jeans in there. I keep all my thoughty tops in there, like my crop tops and stuff, because they're so small I lose them a lot, so I just like to keep them in a little drawer. I don't really know what's in here. Oh, my diploma. Here I keep random stuff, again, stuff from my parents, my family. I used to dance, fun fact. There's my hip-hop trophy. I did hip-hop, clogging, and Irish dancing. So yeah, I'm like kind of a big deal. Yeah, I keep my sunglasses in that thing. And up there, again, another little doll that was kind of creepy and cute that I thought would look cute in my room, so I got it. I don't know who that girl is. I think I might be related to her. I don't know who she is, but she's cute, so she's in my room. Again, a whole bunch of random stuff. I love this thing. The sun, like glass face, whatever that is thing. I don't know where I got him from, but he's from Africa, and he's an elephant, but there's also a baby elephant in him. I guess her, because I guess she's pregnant. I don't know, but super cute. It was like handmade and everything, so really cute. Me and my grandma used to collect rocks and stones and gems and stuff, so I put some of them in there. Oh, I forgot to show you. So one of my favorite parts of my room, I've posted it on Instagram, is my windowsill. It's kind of messy. I didn't mean to keep those drinks there, but so yeah, I have that mirror there, my lip mask, the drinks, a few stickers. I wanted to put her on the back of my car, but I kind of like her being in my room, so I'm just keeping her there. A little bumblebee, my incense sticks or whatever, my incense burner, whatever thing, I don't know. Got it from World Market, super cute. And this is what reminded me of my windowsill. I have a whole bunch of the stones and rocks and stuff just for decoration purposes, and they're super cute. And there's some books. A lot of them are just like about zodiac stuff and poetry. I have one novel in there. I don't remember the name of it. I started reading it, but I decided I wanted to like save it for summer because I like reading on the beach. So yeah, I'm just saving it for whenever I'm available to do that. So I keep a lot of my cardigans and bags and stuff on the back of my closet doors. There's a hat. It looks like a black circle, but it's a hat. My bunny ears from Halloween. And yeah, just a whole bunch of bags. Super cute. A really nice lady at work let me keep this. She works for Urban Decay, and I was like, that's so cute. Look at, why does it take so long for everything to focus? Please focus. Look at how cute that is. Cherry baby. And then there's cherries on the lanyard thing. Yeah, my door's musty. And I keep a whole bunch of my nails stuff and my headbands and stuff in there. Apparently my camera is manual as well. And my mom got me this DIY scrubby thing. I don't really know if I'm gonna use it, but it's really cute. It was only like $2, so really cute. This is gonna be my beach bag for this year. I'm so excited. I already put my pins on it. So you know it's gonna be a lit summer. I'm just kidding, I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, I love this. And I love that. Super cute. I got the bag from Ulta. It was an old GWP gift with purchase that no one ever got. So they were selling them for like $10. And I was like, okay. So yeah. And then again, I just keep random stuff on the back of my door. That's my old beach bag. I love it, but it was just kind of too small. And yeah, I might use it again. I don't know. I switch out my bags a lot because again, I like change. So yeah, there's some hats. I have nothing else really to show at this point. So I don't really feel like turning the camera around and having to like look weird. So I'm just gonna film the outro right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you maybe got inspired by something in my room. I don't really know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll try to post more often. I don't know what to say at this point. Yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you wanna. All that, you know, normal YouTuber stuff. Okay, bye.